Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the background around you black and white in a video. So here I'm going to try make only the background black and white, but this person is still on color. So what you need to do first is duplicate the video on the main track and then make one of them as overlay. Click on overlay like this. Then delete the background in the overlay. So click on the overlay, go to the auto cut or the auto removal. Now CapCut will remove the background. So the background in the overlay has been removed. Now you need to make the background black and white. So click on the main video and then go to adjust. Now lower the saturation of the video into -50. Click on the check icon. There you go. You can see the background is in black and white and only you is on color. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.